Good evening. I'm going to talk a little bit about criminal law. I'm going to give a definition and a few examples so you can know what criminal law basically is. A criminal law is basically a body of rules and statutes that defines conduct prohibited by the government because it threatens and harms public safety and welfare. A few examples would be, say, I'm driving down the road and I get a text message. I read the message and write the person back that texts me. I'm not worried about my surroundings, what's in front of me, or anything. And by the time I look up, I'm about to hit another car head on going full speed. Well, I hit the other person and I injure or even kill the driver. That would be an example of a criminal law because I'm doing harm to the other person. Another example would be, say, I'm legally hunting on my best friend's land. There's 30 acres on this land, but she owns 10 acres and her neighbor owns 20 acres. I step foot on her neighbor's property, the 20 acres, and he comes out and shoots me. That would be an example of a criminal law because I'm trespassing on land that is not mine. It's not my friend's land and it's not mine, so he has the right to shoot me because I'm trespassing. The term criminal law is mostly referred to as a substantive law. Crimes are categorized as a felony or a misdemeanor based on their nature and the maximum punishment that can be imposed. A felony is a serious misconduct that is punishable by the death penalty or by imprisonment or even life in prison. It really just depends on what the judge does and how serious the crime is that you just did. A misdemeanor is a misconduct for which the law prescribes punishment for no more than a year. With a misdemeanor, you can even get a warning or be on probation for a year or two. It just really depends on what the judge offers and how bad your crime was to see what your punishment will be. Lesser offenses such as traffic and parking infractions are also part of a criminal law. Say, for example, I'm driving down the road and I see a sign that says traffic backed up in another mile. And I pay no attention to the sign. I'm still speeding. And I go down the hill and I hit a car from behind, injuring the driver, maybe minor injuries. That would be an example of a criminal law also, because I ignored the traffic sign that was a mile behind me and I was not worried about it. So I came up on this car and I hit them from behind and the person was injured. That is a criminal law because I'm injuring the other person's car and them. Well, I guess that pretty much sums up what a criminal law is. It is basically harming another person or the welfare. Thank you.